Is your Google Chrome crashing with the frustrating ran out of memory or out snap error? In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix Chrome memory leaks and stop your browser from crashing while loading web pages. Let's get started. First fix. Clean Chrome cache and cookies. Click on three-dot menu icon on upper right corner. Then click on Delete Browsing Data. Select All Time and then select Browsing History, Cookies and other site data, cached images and files. Click on Show More. If you select Download History, all items in Download folder will be deleted. Click on Delete Cache. Second step, disable problematic extensions. Click on three-dot menu icon on upper right corner. Then go to Extensions. Click on Manage Extensions. You have to disable some extensions which may cause problem in your Google Chrome performance, such as VPN extension. Here I have a VPN extension. Just click here to disable it, and you can also remove this extension from here. Click on remove and click on remove again. Third step, enable memory saver. In address bar, type Chrome /settings/performance. Chrome /settings/performance. Hit enter. Scroll down. Here you will find memory saver. Chrome frees up memory from inactive tabs. Now it's turned off. Just click here to turn it on. And here you will find three options: moderate, balanced, and maximum. Balanced is recommended, and by default balanced is selected. Fourth step, disable hardware acceleration. In address bar, type Chrome /settings/system. Hit enter. You will find here the second option, use graphics acceleration when available. Now it's turned on. Click here to turn it off. Now you need to relaunch Google Chrome. Click on relaunch. Sixth step, disable background apps. Here you will find the first option, continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. Just click here to turn it off. Next step, update Chrome. In left menu pane, click on the last option, about Chrome, and Google Chrome is updating. And update finished. Minimize Google Chrome. Go to search. In search, type disk cleanup. Right click on disk cleanup. Click on run as administrator. Select your operating system drive and then click on OK. Calculating how much space you will be able to free up from C drive. Select all options here and then click on OK. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Click on delete files. And the disk cleanup utility is cleaning up unnecessary files on your machine. Next step, maximize virtual memory. Go to search. In search, type view advanced system settings. Click on view advanced system settings. On advanced tab, you will find performance. Click on settings button on performance. Click on advanced tab. Under virtual memory, click on changed. Uncheck automatically manage paging file for all drives. Click on custom size. Then mention the virtual memory size here. In initial size, set 2048 MB, and in maximum size 4096 MB. Click on OK. The change you have made require you to restart your computer before they can take effect. Click on OK. Click on Apply, then click on OK. Click on OK again. You must restart your computer to apply these changes. I will restart later. Click on Restart later. Click on Start menu. Click on Power. Then click on Restart. After restarting your computer, hope your problem has been fixed. If your problem is still continuing, go to Google Chrome again. Click on three-dot menu icon on upper right corner. Click on Settings. The last step, on left menu pane, you will find Reset Settings. Under Reset Settings, restore settings to their original default. Click on it. This action will reset some Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts, disable extensions, delete cookies and other temporary site data. Click on Reset. That's it. Hope all these fixes will solve your Google Chrome issue or Snap ran out of memory.